Okay, so the first one is to be able to type NN in LaunchBar to create a new note. So I am currently in Chrome, and let's say I want to create a new Nimbus Note. I just bring up the LaunchBar by pressing its hotkey, which is Command Space, and now I can type NN, which is either you can think of it as new note or Nimbus Note. So just press NN and you see this new Nimbus Note and hit return. So that creates a new note that actually switches or brings the Nimbus Note to the front. It creates a new note and then it clicks in the title, because by default when you create a new note, it's the cursor is in the actual content area. But if you want to give a title, you need to actually click here and then give it a title. Okay, so that's what NN does. The next one is being able to search using this Nimbus search or node search in LaunchBar to search in the current workspace. So I am pressing Command Space to bring up LaunchBar, and I'm going to type NS. So you can see the item that says Search Nimbus Note. If you hit return now, oh, okay, the script does not implement a handler named run. Well, anyway, I need to fix that, but you need to supply the string that you want to search for. Okay, so the way it works is you press space, okay, and then you type what you want to search for. So let me just show you from the beginning. Okay, so you press Command Space and then type NS and then press space and the search term. So let's say iMac. Okay, so that activates Nimbus Note that searches for the term that you have entered, and it hits return. And if there is already some existing search term here, then that is going to be removed first, and then the one that you have typed or searched for is going to be kept here and the search performed. Okay, so the next one is the command comma to bring up the settings. So inside the Nimbus Note app, I'm gonna press command comma, and that will basically show me the settings page. Okay, and command F to search the notes. So this should actually be to place focus. Come on, in the search. Okay, so if I want to search, I can press Command F, and that basically puts the cursor inside the search field, ready for me to start typing. Okay, so the next is typing 3 backticks to add a code block. So let's say I want to add a code block. I can type 3 backticks, and now it's ready for me to accept. Now it is ready to accept the code. Okay, then yeah, this command palette. So this is quite handy. What this does is, you can add these all different options, and there are more by clicking here. So if you want to say type or put the section break, you have to remember this command H, which is not that intuitive or ideal. So what you can do is press Alt space, okay, or you can also press command slash, and here you can start typing what you want to do inside the editor. So in this case, I want to add a line. So I'm going to type line, and you can see that it shows the available options and it filters as a search, and the one that you frequently use comes to the top. So in this case, I just have to press return, and that is going to add the line. And one more thing to demonstrate here is, let's say you want to um, just see this full screen without these sidebars. So just bring up the command palette and start typing full screen, and you hit enter or return, and that toggles the full screen. Again, if I want to get those sidebars back, I just bring up the command palette and select that option, and then the sidebars are back. So all these options, pretty much all of them are in there. So for example, let's say you want to add a table. Of course, you can click here and nothing is stopping you. You can also even press that command Alt T if you want. But if you want consistency and just want to do it using keyboard, bring up the command palette, start typing table, and boom. Okay, that should do it.